Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a wish list on Amazon. It's going to be really quick, so bear with me in this one, okay? So, first things first you're going to do is sign in, of course, log into your Amazon. Find a product, browse on Amazon for products you want to add to your wish list, and then add to wish list. When you find an item you'd like, however, to approach the wish list, you all have to do is click on the product details itself and add to list, basically. So once you add to list, drop down the button near the add to cart button and create new list. So that's basically how you create a new wish list on this one. Name your wish list, you could absolutely do that. So give your wish list a name that reflects its purpose, like birthday gifts. So that's just it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.